Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting heat and texture right. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees C and line a 20 by 20 cm pan so the batter releases cleanly. Melt 180 g dark chocolate with 115 g butter gently. This gives flavor and a glossy crumb. While that cools, whisk 2 eggs with 150 g sugar until pale. The aeration builds structure. Sift 65 g cocoa and 120 g flour into the dry mix to prevent lumps and ensure even incorporation. Once done, you now combine components carefully so you preserve fudginess. Temper a third of the melted chocolate into the eggs, then add the rest. This prevents scrambling. Once uniform, sprinkle the sifted cocoa and flour over the wet mix and fold with a spatula. Gentle strokes trap some air while avoiding gluten development. That's why you stop when streaks disappear. If you want add-ins, fold in 50 g chips or 60 g nuts last so they distribute without overworking the batter. Make sure you scrape the bowl to get every bit into the pan. You finish by translating texture into time. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 175 degrees C and test with a toothpick. Aim for a few moist crumbs, not wet batter, because residual heat finishes cooking. Once out, cool in the pan for 15 minutes so the structure sets, then use the parchment to lift and cool fully for neat slices. If a slice is underbaked, return it to the oven for 3 to 5 minutes. If it's dry, serve warm with ice cream or syrup to restore moistness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.